It's a 2016 Mercedes-Benz E-Class. E equals innovation into style. However, the formula for sporty luxury in this E-Class is anything but formulaic. The design is chiseled and confident, the cabin elegant and sporty, and the performance adds up to an unforgettable drive. And with features like these, every drive's a pleasure. External memory control, power heated mirrors, power tilting steering column, auto-dimming rear view mirror, Bluetooth, power telescoping steering column, automatic transmission, express open and close sliding and tilting sunroof, gas pressurized shocks, and V6 engine. This from Edmunds.com. Mercedes-Benz E-Class continues to epitomize the modern mid-sized luxury car with its sophisticated technology, elegant furnishings, and wide selection of engines and features. Mercedes-Benz. High style, high performance. You'll never know till you try. Test drive it today.
Call us at 425-673-0505, online at MB-Lynnwood.com, or stop in and visit at 17800 Highway 99,